Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entri, India's best application and best YouTube channel to crack any of the government exam. I, Deepmani Bhardwaj, welcomes you all again, and today we are going to discuss weekly current affairs of August first week. So let's start with our first headline. The first important headline is MP launches Ek Mask Anek Zindagi public awareness campaign. Now what is this campaign? See, from the name itself you can understand that this campaign is related to what? Since the word mask has come and we know that in this scenario the only thing that is affecting is COVID-19, that is coronavirus. So MP has launched Ek Mask Anek Zindagi public awareness campaign. Now MP Urban Development and Housing Minister Bhupendra Singh has launched a public awareness campaign that is Ek Mask Anek Zindagi from August 1st to 15th. This scheme will help in increasing awareness about wearing mask as prevention from COVID-19 infection. Under this campaign, the mask banks are established where people can donate masks, which in turn will be distributed to poor people free of cost. That is important. Citizens can also donate masks through NGOs, that is non-governmental organizations, in every district and urban city. The donations can be in the form of masks or funds which will be issued to stitch masks through self-help groups. The awareness will spread through announcements, posters, pamphlets, etc. Now, the important question that can be asked from it is, first of all, it can be asked who launched this campaign. Apart from this can also be asked who is the CM of Madhya Pradesh. So you must know MP of who is the CM of Madhya Pradesh? So CM of MP is Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and who is the governor? She is Anandiben Patel. Fine. So let's move on to the next important headline. Next important headline is Kotak Mahindra Bank starts Kuna Umid campaign. Again, this is also related to coronavirus, isn't it? So what is this Kuna Umid? Kotak Mahindra Bank has announced the launch of a 2-month-long campaign called Kuna Umid with huge offers and discounts to lift up hope and optimism among the customers in the midst of coronavirus pandemic. The bank will provide a range of offers and deals on its product, including the loans, saving accounts, current accounts, corporate salary accounts, as well as Kotak debit cards, credit cards and digital payments. Kotak has tied up with over 100 brands to provide exclusive deals to its customers in categories such as shopping, essentials, personal care, education, fitness, health and wellness, kids and parenting, entertainment, cyber care and security, among others. Fine. So the important questions that can be asked in the exams are, since we are talking about the Kotak Mahindra Bank, so when was it established? It was established in 2003. Fine. Where are its headquarters located? Its headquarters are in Mumbai. Where is Mumbai? It is in Maharashtra. Now coming on to the MD and CEO. Who is the MD? That is Managing Director and CEO. He is Mr. Uday Kotak. Fine. You can understand by its name also, Mr. Uday Kotak. Fine. So who is he? He is MD and CEO of the company. Now, one more thing. What is the tagline of this bank? The tagline of this bank is let's make money simple. Fine. Let's move on to the next important headline. Next important headline is Lewis Hamilton wins British Grand Prix 2020. Mercedes driver Lewis Hamilton has won the Formula 1, that is, you know it better by F1 or Formula 1 British Grand Prix 2020 held at Silverstone Circuit, which is in United Kingdom. Max ended up second in this Formula 1 race while Charles came third. This is the third win for Hamilton in this season of F1 races. Let's move on to the next important headline. Next important headline is about the World Sanskrit Day. You must know it. It is very important. So, World Sanskrit Day was celebrated on 3rd of August. World Sanskrit Day, also known as Sanskrit Divas, is celebrated every year on Shravan Purnima, that is Purnima day of Shravan month in the Hindu calendar, which is also marked as Raksha Bandhan. In 2020, this day is being observed on 3rd August 2020. The day commemorates the ancient Indian language of Sanskrit and aims to promote its revival and maintenance. The Government of India decided to celebrate World Sanskrit Day in 1969 on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan that falls on the full moon day of Hindu month of Shravan. This language is also known to be one of the oldest languages in the world. Also, many languages find its root in Sanskrit, including Hindi, Gujarati, and Bengali. Fine. Now, let's move on to the next important headline. Next important headline says World Breastfeeding Week 2020. The World Breastfeeding Week is marked every year in the first week of August, that is between 1st to 7th of August, to raise awareness on the importance of breastfeeding for mothers and infants. The theme of breastfeeding of the week 2020 is Support Breastfeeding for a Healthier Planet. It is very important to breastfeed when your child is infant. The annual week is organized by WBA, WHO, UNICEF since 1991. Now coming on to the important parts, World Alliance for Breastfeeding headquarters are located where? It is in Malaysia, in Penang, Malaysia. Fine. Second point is World Alliance for Breastfeeding founder, who is he? Is Mr. Anwar Fazal. And World Alliance for Breastfeeding was founded when? It was founded on 14th Feb 1991. Fine. So these are important points. Now coming on to the next headline. The next headline says that UP Cabinet Minister Kamlarani Varan passes away. Cabinet Minister in the government of UP, Kamlarani Varan passed away due to COVID-19. She was the Minister of Technical Education in the state government. Kamlarani Varun had also served as an MP twice, once in the 11th Lok Sabha and 12th in the Lok Sabha. Now, one more important point, she was the MLA from Ghatampur in Kanpur. So these all were the important headlines. Now it's the time for the important questions. So the first important question is the foundation stone of IIM Indore was laid at which state? You have these 5 options, and amongst these the correct option is which one? It is Himachal Pradesh. So option number 5 is correct. See, coming on to its important point, Union Minister of Education Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has laid the foundation stone of IIM Sirmaur at Dhola in Sirmaur district of Himachal Pradesh through video conference along with Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh. Who is the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh? He is Mr. Jairam Thakur, and the Minister of State for Finance Shri Anurag Singh Thakur and Minister of State for Education Shri Sanjay. Fine. So let's move on to the next important question. The next important question is the doubling of Lechayan Hotgi section was developed by Southwestern Railway recently. The bridge was built on which river? So these are the 5 options, and the correct option among us these is Bhima. So option number 2 is correct, but let's have discussion on it. The Southwestern Railway commissioned the development of Lechayan Hotgi section, which is 33 km long, as a part of doubling project, which had been sanctioned by Railway Board in 2014 and 2015. This route connects Karnataka with Maharashtra through Bijapur and Sholapur district. Fine. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is, which state government launched Mahila Evam Kishori Samman Yojana and Mukhyamantri Doodh Upahar Yojana for girls and women? And the correct answer is Haryana. So the option number 3 is correct. Now coming on to its part, what is it? In order to give a major boost to Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign on August 5, the state government of Haryana has launched 2 schemes with a total outlay of rupees 256 crores. While launched Mahila Evam Kishori Samman Yojana to provide free sanitary napkins to girls and women of below poverty line, that is BPL families, and initiated Mukhya Mantri Doodh Upahar Yojana to provide fortified flavor skimmed milk powder to women and children. These schemes were launched by Haryana Chief Minister. Who is he? He is Mr. Manohar Lal Khattar. Fine. So who is he? He is Mr. Manohar Lal Khattar. Fine. Now, let's move on to the next question. Name the payments bank which partnered with Bharti AXA General Insurance to offer smart plan shop package policy. And from the among us options, from the word Bharti itself, you may know the answer, and the correct answer is Airtel Payments Bank. So, your option number first is correct, and Airtel Payment Bank has entered into a partnership with Bharti AXA General Insurance to offer the latter's affordable and newly launched shop insurance product, namely Smart Plan Smart Package Policy for financial protection of the bank's creditors and merchants. Fine, let's move on to the next point. The next question is, which is the most valuable brand in the world as per Future Brand Index 2020? And it is in news from a long time in all the social media platforms, whether it is Instagram, it is Facebook, or whatever. So since it is in the current run, so you know the answer. The correct answer is what? Apple, isn't it? So the correct answer is Apple. And coming on to the next part, who is on the second brand? The second brand is Reliance Industries Limited. So Future Brand Index 2020 was released, and Reliance Industries Limited, that is RIL, oil and gas company, ranked as the second biggest brand for its recognition associated with its growth, innovative products, and customer service after Apple, which topped the index. So Apple is on the top, and after Apple comes the RIL, that is your Reliance Industries. Fine. Now, RIL ranked 91st in the PricewaterhouseCoopers Global Top 100 Companies of 2020. So your correct answer is Apple. So all these were the important headlines and the important questions which most probably can come in your exam. So please be aware of the current affairs, because general awareness also plays a significant role in your mains exam. So please be updated with Entri and regularly keep giving your test from Entry's application. Now, you must give the free daily quiz that we are providing you on the application. It is live IPS RRB rank booster quiz, which will boost your rank. Fine. So we are giving it daily at 10 a.m. where there are 15 questions and you have 15 minutes to solve them. Now, from where you'll get this quiz? You'll get this quiz from the description, that from where we have given the link. Just click on the link and give the test. So please use the link that is given in the description, and like this video, comment on it, and share it as much as possible so that we can keep on giving our best and get the maximum result out from you. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.